फार्मा स्टोरांतले एक्सपायर्ड जाल्ले वैद्यकीय साहित्य हल्दोणे हांगासर राशीक मारिल्लें सापडिल्लें. हल्दोणा पॅरिश केंद्रा कडेन हो मेडिकल कोयर डंप केल्लो. पुलिसांनी हाचेर रोखडीच कारवाय करून कोणेन कोयर उडयला ताका आपयलो आनी ताचे कडल्यान कोयर काडून घेतलो. तशेंच पंचायतीन ताका फायनूय घाली अशी माहिती हल्दोणचो आमदार ॲडव्होकेट कार्लोस आल्मेदा हांणी दिल्या. RDXGOA खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
आमकां मॅसेज आयिल्लो की कोणें मेडिकल वेस्ट बायोमेडिकल वेस्ट उडयलें म्हणून हिंगा एंड people were very concerned. Sarpanch also informed me, Panchayat staff also informed me, photo धाडले आनी हांवें पळयलें that it was completely wrong. We could identify the person who was from outside Aldona area, a village of Aldona, and who had come and dumped the medical waste over here. And so immediately we swung into action, and the authorities were informed, including the police. We got the police also to act. I must congratulate the police for having done a very good job. They went and identified the person who had dumped, and the person came here and apologized for doing this. This is land belongs to the church Fabrica of our St. Thomas Church, and there may be a dustbin, but doesn't mean you go and bring garbage from other places and dump it here. This is not a dumping place or a garbage yard. So we managed anyway. So they have come here. You will see at the back employee to me हे आसात ते रिक्षान आहात ते सगळे कलेक्ट करून परत व्हरपाक येयला. But this is completely wrong. This is not what we will tolerate. It is not just our village, it is entire constituency and the rest of Goa. We should learn how we should dispose our garbage sensibly and properly, and especially in these kind of things there is a forum and there is a procedure which the government is providing for collection of such kind of waste, and I think they can utilize this. And since it's a first time offence, the panchayat will be imposing the penalty in accordance with law. But I want this to be as a lesson to everyone, as a warning. Please don't come and dump garbage anywhere in the constituency. I'm not saying even if it's in your village, in our constituency, don't dump it. Please dump it in the your dustbins, or make sure that the collection people who are coming and collecting, the collection contractors come and collect your garbage, so that all of us can live happily. Because ata ing aile, the church is upset with this, and people are upset what is going on over here, and this creates a situation of panic, whether it is coming from a hospital, whether it is coming from used gauzes and all that, and from, so it becomes very reasonable for anyone to have this kind of an apprehension, and therefore I think we need to take action, and we need to be vigilant. And if we keep our house clean, if we keep our village clean, I think all of us can live happily.
Early morning when we received messages, it was really a panic situation to know that medical waste was dumped. Fortunately, it was not used medical waste, but a pharmacy stock was dumped over here. Of course, the opponent is saying that he's done it unintentionally. That is fine, but we are going to press fine as per the law on the opponent. I'm very thankful to the MLA for quickly putting the entire machinery in place, getting the cops also to act, identify the person as fast as possible. Now, we have very clear instructions from our MLA for all the panchayats, in fact, to help people to take care of their garbage. We appeal to people, please do not dump. You have waste, please give us a call, punch members a call. We will make arrangements. At the most, you may have to pay a slightly nominal charge extra if it is garbage like this or waste like this. So we have very clear instructions to see that garbage menace is resolved in our village from the MLA's office. We are working towards that, but please cooperate with us. We are here to help you, not to create a situation. And I apologize to the church authorities also that this was done in their property just behind my panchayat building. So we have resolved the issue. They have collected it. They are taking it and disposing it in a proper manner. Of course, the fine is also imposed as a first time offence.